Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro in advance.
How's it all going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So behind me I've got an Audi S3 8P that we're going to be reviewing today. Absolutely awesome car. I've driven it once before, but we're going to go for a full little drive today and show you guys how it is with a POV drive and me inside the car as well. So stay tuned. I just want to quickly say as well, happy Christmas. Well, not happy Christmas. I hope you all had a very good Christmas and I hope you all got what you wanted. Hope you had a great day as well, and I'm bringing you stuff for the new year. It's going to be awesome. Videos like this is what you're going to expect. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this video, get this Audi S3 review done, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's crack. Right, so in we go and go ahead for the first drive in the stunning Audi S3. It is an absolute beautiful car. If you're a young lad like me, 22 years of age I am, and you're really into like your small hot hatch cars, this Audi S3 is a powerful little package. I mean, for the price you're paying for these cars these days now, you're getting a hell of a lot of power. So obviously, starting off, you're getting your Quattro four-wheel drive system. Audi is renowned for like their four-wheel drive systems on their cars. And even back in this day and age, they were still making high-quality cars with, even the interior and stuff like that. If we go down to the climate control, you can see this car comes with climate control. The climate control looks way better. I've seen, Fiestas. I've even seen, like, this interior is way better than some of the new Fords they're bringing out and stuff like that. It's a very nice car. The flat bottom steering wheel, oh my god, I am literally in love with this thing. It's one of the Audi's best, the fact they've made such a stunning steering wheel. I literally love it. It's one of the most favourite things that Audi do with their vehicles is the flat bottom steering wheels, and their steering wheels in general. They're just stunning. Moving on from that, now I believe these cars come with about 261 brake horsepower standard. Now this car itself is standard. I think the only thing that's changed on it, I think, is an aftermarket recirculation or blow off valve. Now I will show you in a minute. If you can hear it on camera, it does sound quite nice. It's very nice sounding. Now standard, these cars, they're very good themselves, to be fair. I've seen a lot of people modify these cars, going from obviously like stage 1 remaps probably up to, you're probably getting over the 300 brake horsepower marks for a stage 1 remap. I mean, that's a hell of a lot of power in a four-wheel drive car. It's just 2 litre turbo as well. Now obviously with this model there is an RS3 version, and that's got the 5-pot engine, a 5-cylinder 2.5 litre engine. This is obviously the 4-cylinder 2 litre turboed engine, but still, like I said, the price you're paying for the RS3 is a lot more compared to this car. And if you're like me, you've got yourself a little budget, say if you've got a budget of about, because you can pick these cars up probably now for about 6 to 10 grand, depending on mileage, condition and stuff like that. And this car itself is in great condition. I absolutely love it. It's got the Bose sound system, which is an optional extra on this car. The speakers are insane. Bose have always been a big thing for me. I love Bose speakers, and I'm a big thing for speakers as well. Like, they do Bang & Olufsen. I can't remember the other ones they do, but they do, obviously they've got Bose. And there's a few other brands that, that BMW and Audi and all that use. I mean, a few companies, I think it's Audi are using as well now. They're using Bang & Olufsen, I believe. I'm not sure off the top of my head. But this car here, if you are looking to buy it as well, guys, we are selling this at Global Motors, as you've seen at the beginning of the video, at a Global Motors side. Now that'll be a little theme now for most of my videos, is the fact that we're going to be chucking in a nice cool cinematic. Now most of the cars you're going to see on my channel now are going to be cars that are being sold down at Global Motors. Now don't hate on it, because you lot, I'm going to bring you all into the channel a bit more, and you're going to be seeing a lot more fast automobiles, fast cars and things like that. So it's, in a way, it's going to benefit you a lot, and it's going to help you decide, hopefully, in the future what sort of cars you guys are going to buy. Because if I'm here bringing you first on hands-on view, POV videos like that as well, because we are doing POV videos. But I'll quickly give it a little tickle here, see if you can see. I don't know if you heard the blow off valve then, but it sounds so damn good. It's such an awesome car. But what we'll do now is I've pretty much named all the little subjects I want to touch. I want to get you guys a hands-on point of view video showing you what it's like to drive in front, and then we can just go on from there. So enjoy. Now, one thing I did forget to mention, this car's actually got heated seats as well. I've just realised whilst I've been driving along that they've come on, they're extremely nice. It's like 6 mode settings, so 6 different settings for it, which is really nice. Most cars you get like 3 nowadays. It's got 3 different heat settings, but it's got like the 6. So when you do start to get too hot, you can turn it down, which is nice and cool. It'll come out of here now. I'll give it a bit of a tickle. The handling on this as well is amazing. So we're in 2nd gear here, speed limit's 60. Look at that. Imagine what it's like when it's remapped. The throttle response is going to get even better. You'll have more torque, more power. Right, so now getting onto the nice and better roads. I'll see if we just drop down the gear a minute, and I've opened up the window, see if we can try and hear this blow off valve. It is there. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera. It's always the problem. You can never tell if it's picking it up well on camera or not. Obviously, I'm not going to be driving this car like I drive any of my other cars or anything like that, because it is a sales car, and I'm just trying to give you an example of the power and how the car is to drive and things like that. So I will be giving up blips up to the speed limit and things like that, so it won't be going anything crazy in today's in these sort of videos. But you get a good understanding of the car, what it's like inside, the surroundings. You know, it's the better way, I think, of producing videos for you guys, because you can see what it's like then to get in a car like this and drive it. POVs have always been a big thing, and I always like them a lot. So we're coming onto these roads now. Let's I'll shut up and just enjoy the car and see what it's like to drive. Right, so I'm gonna do a launch. Let's see if we can do a launch. What I'll do is I'll quickly pull over it. Let this car go past. Alright, let's quickly do a launch here. Stopped. First gear. Handbrake up. And that's 60. Jesus. Woo! That is quick, isn't it? That wasn't even me going like full bore in the car as well, because I don't want to go full bore. Like, that was like 3/4 throttle, because I just literally, like I said, it's a sales car. I don't want to go crazy with it. But Jesus, this thing can launch. And here comes the sun. But what a car. Sounds insane as well. Imagine what this is like, straight piped or something. I'm coming into a nice bend. See how this quattro kicks in when you're handling? Look at that, it just chews it up, doesn't it? That is insane how well that goes around that corner. Okay guys, so there we are. You've seen a bit of the POV, you've seen me talking a bit now and things like that, and straight to 60 like that. Crazy, it's absolutely unbelievable. What a car. And if you've enjoyed it today as much as I have, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's also a little bell notification that you can hit as well to be notified every single time I upload a video. If you do enjoy this new style of videos, please comment down below as well. Tell me things I need to improve on, because obviously there is going to be things I'm going to need to improve on. This is my first video trying this sort of style out. But if you have enjoyed it, then I really appreciate the feedback, because any feedback will do, even if it's negative. Don't go too negative, because I do hate the odd idiot that comments absolute pure crap down below, which I don't want to hear. And I mean, if it's negativity, I mean, if it's bad comments, I mean, just comment down things like, oh Luke, you need to improve this area. Don't go start swearing, go full bore, things like that, guys. It's not worth it. But like I said, if you want to get your hands on this lovely Audi S3, and we've got plenty more cars coming in stock like it, like the ones that I'm driving today. We've got more modified cars coming in. If you want to get your hands on this car or any other car, make sure you check out Global Motor Sales. We're based in Plymouth on not on Valley Road, on Faraday Mill. Come check us out. We're down there pretty much 7 days a week. We're open, so we're always going to be there. Feel free to give us a call. Chris is going to be there on the other end of the line most of the time, and obviously I control all the social media side, so if you want to speak on social media, it'll be me you'll be speaking to. Or even if you just want to come down and say hello, come down and say hello. But like I said, guys, if you want to get your hands on this car, I will leave links to everything in the description down below and check it all out. But thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, like I said, do what you got to do, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.